Hello, 10th grade. Hello, 10th grade YouTubers. Welcome to our YouTube learning, which we'll be doing this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, while we have our names, not numbers interviews. I'm learning some new techniques about YouTubing, so I'll be using them throughout the class. So don't forget to subscribe below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can hear other great classes like my 9th grade Gemara class, or my names and numbers Holocaust classes, and other exciting classes just like that. Okay, let's go to Siman Reish Ayin Dalid, Seif Yud Dalid. Okay, again, Siman Reish Ayin Aleph, Seif Yud Dalid. Okay, pause till you get there. So in one class we started this, the other class I don't think we did. Maybe we just started it, but we'll start from the beginning. It'll start with review, and then we'll get to some new stuff. Okay. Im lo ta'am hamikadesh. If the person making kiddush does not taste the wine, doesn't drink anything. Okay. So the person drinking the wine, making kiddush, doesn't drink, just passes the cup to somebody else. V'ta'am acher. And someone else tastes it. So ta'am means to taste. Here it means like to drink. Like to taste even a little bit. When someone says when the Shulchan Aruch says they didn't even have a ta'am, they didn't even taste it. Like they don't even take a sip. So someone else drinks, and how much they drink? V'ta'am echad me'hem esubin k'malei lugmav. So somebody else drinks a malei lugmav. So simple case. A man makes kiddush, takes the cup, hands it to his wife. She downs the whole thing, down the hatch. So she clearly has a malei lugmav. So do they fulfill kiddush? Right? When we talked about in Yud Gimel that the minimum someone must drink is a malei lugmav to fulfill kiddush, is that only the person who makes kiddush, or can anyone at the table make kiddush? Drink the malei lugmav and fulfill the mitzvah. So the Shulchan Aruch says yatsa. That works, meaning bidi eved. It's not the best way to do it, but if that's the situation, that the person making kiddush does not actually drink the wine, but someone else at the table who fulfills the mitzvah of kiddush with that initial kiddush does, yatsa, they fulfill the mitzvah. However, the drinking of two people, right, is not mitzdarefet. Mitzdarefet means to add together. Is not added together lemalei lugmav, to make one malei lugmav. Meaning, let's say the person making kiddush says kiddush and then pours half a malei lugmav, let's say 1 ounce, into two separate cups, and gives those two cups to two separate people. Okay, and they drink half a malei lugmav, but collectively they've drunk a malei lugmav. That does not count. Someone has to drink a malei lugmav. Someone has to drink a significant amount of wine at the kiddush, so that feels significant. It feels like they're really drinking something, that's substantial. And if each one's drinking just a little bit, then no one's drinking something substantial enough, and so no one fulfilled the kiddush, right? No one halachically has done kiddush. Umikol makom, and in any case, mitzvah min hamuvchar sheyit amu kulam. And in any case, it is a mitzvah min hamuvchar. It is the best way to do the mitzvah. Sheyit amu kulam, that everyone fulfills the mitzvah. So everyone drinks something at of the kiddush wine. So basically, what we have here is the best way to make kiddush is the person who makes kiddush drinks a malei lugmav, and everyone else at the table drinks something. Okay. The second best way to do kiddush is the person making kiddush drinks a malei lugmav, and no one else drinks anything. The third best way to make kiddush is the person makes kiddush, does not drink anything, but someone else at the table drinks a malei lugmav, and then everyone else at the table drinks something. And the fourth, the worst way to do kiddush but still fulfill the mitzvah, is that someone at the table, but not the person making kiddush, drinks a malei lugmav, and no one else drinks a thing. Those are kind of the four tiers of the mitzvah. Okay. V'yesh omrim. Now, The Vayeshem Rim is important. What the Shulchan Aruch is doing here is telling us that there are tiers of the mitzvah. There's L'chachila, there's the best way to do the mitzvah. There's the second best way. There's the third best way. There's the fourth best way. And then Vayeshem Rim. So the Vav Yud Aleph, Vayeshem Rim, is a way of saying that there are other opinions. Now remember, the Shulchan Aruch is getting his halachic opinions from the Rishonim, from the Rambam, from the Rush, from the Rif, and trying to kind of bring out the majority opinion. But sometimes there is a minority opinion. It could be the Rambam, it could be another Rishon, it could be Rashi, it could be Tosfot, someone else. And the Shulchan Aruch will quote that opinion, even though he knows it's not the majority opinion, because he thinks it's important for us to know. And maybe there are times when we'll need to know it because we need to rely on it for some reason. Because within halacha, there are halacha is interacting with the world and interacting with human beings, and everyone's in different situations. And sometimes particular situations require that a mitzvah be, that a certain opinion that's not usually used becomes acceptable. So v'yeshomer, dekevan shebein kulam ta'amu kamala lugmav, since shebein kulam, since amongst all of them, the entire group, ta'amu kamala lugmav, that they tasted a mala lugmav, meaning, let's say you had 10 people at the table, and the person making kiddush has a kiddush cup full of revius, let's say 5 ounces. Let's go crazy, and pours an equal amount, and used like those fancy kiddush cup things where you pour the wine in and it spritzes out into 10 equal little cups. So now everyone's got you split it 10 ways. Everyone's got half of a revius. So no one has anything close to a maleh lugmav. But if you add it all together, you would have a maleh lugmav. So he's saying there is an opinion. Okay, yeah, there is an opinion that's good. That yatsu, that everyone fulfilled the mitzvah this way. The shtia kula mitzarefet lekashir. That by adding together all the different people drinking at the table, you have, as long as if you add it all up, it gets to a maleh lugmav, you fulfill the mitzvah. V'agaonim sovrim she'im lo tamim makadesh lo yatsa. However, the gaonim say, sovrim, they hold she'im lo tamim makadesh, if the person making kiddush does not drink anything, lo yatsa, then no one's fulfilled the mitzvah. V'roi lachush l'divrihem, and we should, lachush means like we should be careful for, we should watch out for. We should be careful l'divrihem for their words. We should be careful for their opinion. Meaning we should take it seriously. So we should try hard to make sure that the person making kiddush at least drinks something. So if you're going to follow the opinion that someone else at the table can drink a maleh lugmav and the person making kiddush does not need to drink anything, still, according to this opinion, the Gaonim, we should try to make sure that they drink at least a little bit of something. All right, let's do a little bit of Mishnah Berurah as well. Let's go to Sif Katan Samech Tet. In the Mishnah Berurah, Sif Katan Samech Tet, Divrei Matchil Echa Miyam Mesubin. I'll read. It's okay. I got it. Oh, don't forget to subscribe below. And leave comments. The best comments get recognition in the next video. Let's do that. The best comments I will give a shout out to in the next video. But only if you subscribe. I still don't know what that means exactly. Okay. So since the people sitting at the table, remember the mesubin means the people sitting at the table, since they heard the bracha from the beginning, v'hu kevan aleihem, and the person making kiddush has them in mind, lo tzion, to fulfill the mitzvah, mani timasan lekulam. So therefore, they're tasting, they're drinking of the wine counts for everyone. What the Mishnah Berurah is saying is, what's the logic why someone else at the table can drink the kiddush wine and now everyone fulfills the mitzvah? Because if you're going to say that I can make kiddush for other people, right? But we've all done the same mitzvah. Meaning when someone makes kiddush, let's say there's 10 people at the table, okay? And they say Amen, and the person making Kiddush has them in mind to fulfill the mitzvah, and they have in mind to fulfill the mitzvah with the person making Kiddush. So everyone's doing the same, everyone's doing the same mitzvah, right? It's not like the person making Kiddush doesn't get a bigger mitzvah than the ones hearing Kiddush. Everyone's in the same playing field. Everyone's done the same mitzvah, means the rights of hearing Kiddush. If that's the case, if everyone's done the same exact level of mitzvah, done the same mitzvah, so then who cares who drinks the Kiddush wine? You're making Kiddush, I'm making Kiddush. In a sense, we're all making Kiddush. So who cares? Why does it matter who drinks the wine, me or someone else? In the end, it could be anyone. Now, obviously, we preferred the person making Kiddush says the bracha because in the end, they're actually saying the bracha. They're saying the Brei Priya Gafa. And we obviously prefer it's better if the person making the Kiddush drinks the wine. But if not, we can rely on the fact that since this is a one collective mitzvah and we're all getting the same mitzvah together, that if someone else drank the Maleh Lugmav, then b'diavad, we've all done the mitzvah of Kiddush as well. All right, I will stop here and we'll pick up from here in our next video for Tuesday. Enjoy.